What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use DeepSeek for language translation. So if you're looking for a way to translate languages here through DeepSeek, well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up DeepSeek here, and we want to go ahead and access their chat. Now, the most important thing here when you're interacting with AI is you need to make sure that you use the proper prompts. So in this case, since we want to translate a language here, you need to remember that you need to indicate the language here or the language that you want to translate properly. So that includes adding them in a specific or in double quote. So in this case, it's going to just type in here the language that you want to go ahead and translate. So in here, I clearly indicated the sentence that I want to translate it here, and I also indicated here where what's the language specifically here. So being specific with your prompts here can help you a lot. So in this case, this is in Tagalog. So in this case, I'm also requesting the here to translate this to English. So let's go ahead and try this and press enter. Now it's going to start processing that, and it's going to give you the result that you may be looking for. Now, by the way, sometimes the AI itself will give you a comprehensive description or translation here, what each word actually means. So in this case, as you can see, we now have the direct translation for that. So, mom, what's for the meal? And in this case, it's commonly used. Also explain where it's commonly used. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.